Have you ever wondered how car alignments are done? Well, let me show you. First, the car is placed on this specialized alignment rack. And sensors and cameras are attached, like this right here, to the wheels. A computerized system that measures 3 key angles: the toe, the camber, and the caster. The toe is the inward or the outward tilt of the tires. Camber is the vertical tilt, and the caster affects the steering stability. Using precise tools, the mechanic adjusts these angles to match manufacturer specifications. Final checks ensure that the steering wheel is centered and your car drives straight. And really, that's about it. A proper alignment helps with fuel economy, a smoother ride, and no tire wear. Call Portland Automotive today and we'll take care of you.